Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back again to our channel Job Seeker Sub. Today in this video I am going to discuss about various FAQs from Accenture and some big company hirings as well. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Accenture announced its off-campus drive for customer software engineer. We already discussed this earlier. I made a video on this particular topic. If you are the one who didn't watch that video, I will give that video link in this video description. Over there you can watch. Here you can see this is a package application development associate role. Required skill is a Python programming and Hyderabad is the region. Experience is 0 to 2 years. Now another opportunity got opened from Accenture. This is a SW App Cloud Tech Support new associate. Here you can see this is also a full-time. Experience is a 0 to 2 years. This is also a location called Hyderabad. If you are the one who applied for Python, don't apply for this. If you are the one who didn't apply for this, if you don't have a good knowledge on Python programming language, you can apply for this opportunity. If you had any doubts regarding Accenture, please feel free to comment and I will try to solve some of the doubts here. Please watch this video until end because you may miss some of the questions. So what are the questions I received from various guys in my comment section is, so is this a mass hiring? No, sir, this is not a mass hiring. This is a MyZone portal hiring, guys. This is a MyZone portal hiring. Previously, also, we had seen they are hired for Python and SAP roles as well. At that time, they hired in a large number. They sent examination mails for the many of the candidates, and after that, they rejected that particular thing. And you all know that very, very well. Now, again, they are hiring for custom software engineer Python programming and cloud tech support new associate. So some of the students are asking me like, if I apply now, if I apply for this particular opportunity, if I apply for Python or this cloud support associate, in future, if there is an any requirement for ASC, associate software engineering, associate software engineer role from Accenture, are we eligible to apply for that particular role? So see, I just want to tell one thing here. There is a cool off period, guys. There is a cool off period. So if you are the one who applied for Python earlier, SAP earlier, or today that cloud support associate, you have to be in cool off period. You have to be in cool off period means you are not eligible to apply for ASC role until your cool off period is complete. Once it finishes, if they announce it's hiring ASC, you can eligible. So some of the candidates are asking like, can I apply for this opportunity now? Can I apply for Python or can I apply for cloud tech support associate? If you want, you can apply, guys, but I am not sure that definitely you can. But if you are 24 25, you can give it a try because for 2026 candidates still ASC hiring is not announced. As we know earlier, they will they will announce, but we don't know when they will. Maybe in next 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, we don't know the particular time frame. So if you are the one who are looking for a job, job is a very very needy for you, then try to go with this opportunities, try to apply for this opportunities. Or if you had a time, sir, I can wait for mass campus hiring until it open. In that case, you can just wait for mass hiring of ASC. Once it was announced, you are able to apply for that particular role as well. So if you had still any doubts left in this, you can ask me in comment section. And some of the guys are asking like, they are applied for one role from Accenture, they didn't got any update, and it has been already 1 week, but they are not receiving any update for that particular thing. If you are the one who are not receiving any update from that hiring, what you have to do is just check your application status. just check your application status. Over there it will be mentioned either you will be considered or rejected. If your application status is showing received, then wait for update from the team, or else try to contact the support team. Sir, so on so date I applied for this opportunity and I am waiting for the examination link for that particular opportunity, but I didn't got any update from that particular opportunity. So can I apply for a new role? Is this hiring still open or hiring was closed? You can ask like that. Definitely the customer support team will give a reply for you. Based on that you can take a decision like whether you can apply for this role or this role. And at a time just try to apply for one role, not for two roles. If you still had any FAQs, please feel free to ask me in a comment section. I will answer them. So these are the some of the questions which I got from my previous videos, so that's why I am sharing. So if you are waiting for ASC, then wait. This is not a mass off campus hiring. This is a hiring like they will hire candidates in some numbers like 100, 200. After that requirement will be fulfilled, they will close this opportunity. They will directly send rejection mails to the candidates. So that's the thing, guys. If you had any doubts you can ask. The next hiring is from Wipro, guys. So Wipro is hiring for process associate. Here you can see the city is Bhubaneswar. State by provisions is Odisha. Posting date is 8/10/2026. Just a few days ago, like 4 days ago, they shared this opportunity. Here you can see job description. If you want to read, you can read. And here, good English comprehension skills, ability to multitask with keyboard shortcut skills, and having good hand-on to computer typing skills with a speed of 30 word per minute and 90% accuracy. If you had a speed of 30 word per minute, if you are able to type 30 words per minute, you can consider this opportunity. Should be comfortable working in 24 by 7 shift as per the business requirement. Undergraduate or graduate degree can apply for this opportunity. And here you can see if you are from a BSc IT, MBA, BE, not eligible to apply. Remaining all roles like BTech, BCom, BSc, some other things can apply for this role. Here, if you want to read, you can read this, do things, and number performance parameter measure process self management. So if you want to read, you can read all these things. I will give this link in video description. You can go there. If you had an interest, you can apply for this particular opportunity. And last hiring is from Zycus, guys. So Zycus announced its off-campus hiring for AI native Java engineer graduate trainee. This is only for a 2026 pass outs. If you are a recently 2026 pass out, then you can consider this opportunity, guys. If you have good knowledge on AI and Java, then this opportunity is for you. Here you can see location is Bengaluru, experience is 0 to 1 year, department is software engineering, employment type is full-time employment. If you want to read all these things, you can just read all these things. So what we are looking for, have a strong foundation in a programming and a computer science fundamentals. You have to know at least one programming language, either Python or Java according to the recent tense, and enjoy problem solving and building software applications using AI tools such as ChatGPT, GitHub, Copilot, Cursor, Gemini, or similar tools for learning, coding, and productivity. You have to familiar with AI tools like ChatGPT, GitHub, Copilot, and you need a very good knowledge in one programming language, and eager to learn modern backend technologies, have a growth mindset. So if you want to know about key responsibilities, you can read the key responsibilities as well. Here the eligibility criteria they mentioned is BE, BTech in a computer science, information technology, electronics, AI, ML, data science or related branches. Graduating in 2026, only 2026 pass outs allowed for this opportunity. And academic requirement minimum 80% is required in a 10th, 12th and BE, BTech. If you had a 79.8, 79.9 percentage, you are not eligible to apply for this opportunity. If you had only 80% in your academics like 10th, 12th, BTech, then only you have to apply for this opportunity, and with no backlogs and No history of backlog by errors. Like if you applied for this opportunity and if you had a backlog in 2 to 1 and you cleared, then you are not eligible. You have to clear your backlogs. No sir, no backlog have to be there. No backlog or errors have to be there in these 4 years. If you had a that thing, then only you can apply for this opportunity. And here they mentioned is strong understanding of data structures and algorithms are also needed. Object oriented programming, DBMS, operating systems and computer network. So as I said earlier, Java will be preferred rather than Python. So here you can see, if you want to read about technical skills preference, you can read. This is the thing. Just give your resume and it will be auto filled, and some answer pre-screening questions. You can apply for this opportunity. I will give this link in this video description as well. And thank you for watching this video. If you had still any doubts, please feel free to ask. I will give a reply to each and every comment section. Don't feel hesitate, just ask the question. I will give answer for that particular question. And thank you for watching again. Jai Hind. Bye bye now.